Welcome guys, today is day 20. Today we're doing something veggie, probably something quick. I can just put on the hob and let it cook for whatever. I'll get on with other stuff. It's a Monday, so let's see how we go. Added some kale or spring greens to it from Dad's allotment, and now I'm going to make some rotis. So I've made loads of them there and just rolled it out. I'm just going to pop this, there we go, onto the pan and just put some butter on the bottom. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for more.